In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code in a Klaviyo email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu where you'll see multiple options. The first step is to click on Campaigns. This is where all your email campaigns will be listed, and it's the starting point for what we're about to do. Now, after you've clicked on Campaigns, you'll want to create a new campaign, so go ahead and click the Create Campaign button. When prompted, you need to select Single Channel as your campaign type. This choice allows you to focus on email marketing specifically, which is great for what we're doing today. Once you've selected that, the next step is to name your campaign. Type in a descriptive name that makes it easy for you to identify what it is later on. After you've done that, click Continue to move forward. Now, it's time to select your audience. This is crucial because you want to ensure that the right people are receiving your email. Click on Select a List or Segment. Once you've chosen your desired audience, go ahead and click Next. With your audience set, it's time to fill in your email details. You'll want to input your desired subject line and some preview text. This is what your recipients will see before they open the email, so make it catchy. After that's done, click Create to open up the email editor where all the magic happens. Now you're in the email editor, and here's where we'll be embedding that HTML code. Look for the Content menu inside the editor. In there, you'll find the HTML block. Click and drag this HTML block into your email layout where you'd like it to appear. You can place it just about anywhere in your email, depending on how you want your content arranged. After placing the HTML block, the next crucial step is to insert your code. Find the empty field that appears in the left-hand panel. This is where you can either paste or type your custom HTML code. It's important to note that as you enter your code, you'll see a live preview of how it looks in your email layout. This real-time feedback is really helpful to ensure everything appears just right. Before you finish up, take a moment to review everything. Make sure that your code is displaying correctly in the preview. Check that your subject line and preview text appear appealing. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed to save your work. Don't forget to test the email by sending it to yourself or a select group. This helps catch any issues before sending it out to your entire audience. And that's it. You've now successfully embedded HTML code into your Klaviyo email. Remember, the flexibility of HTML allows for creative email designs that can really engage your audience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. I'm glad to have you here on this journey of mastering your email marketing.